Hello, it's Rafael Renteria, and before I start this video off, I just would like to warn whoever's watching this, if you're here to see some or hear some sort of insightful observation on the virtual tour industry or 360, anything like that, you're not going to find it here. This is just me having fun with a 360 camera. I made a video yesterday on a whim, and yeah, so if you're here to see something really professional and groundbreaking, I would probably just click out of the video now. But if not, if you want to see how I made a Naruto / anime run video with the Insta360 EVO, stay tuned. Alright, so I got the idea for this yesterday. I had just gotten home from the gym, and then when I got home I went on Instagram and I saw this video from Ben Claremont, and it was just a regular thing. He was pointing at like the airplane that was in the 360 picture, and the view rotated to that, and somehow that translated into me going, oh my god, I could make an anime run sequence to this. I don't know how that connects or how that works, but that's what happened. So I just put my Insta360 EVO on the stick and went outside to do it. That's pretty much, that's about the whole story, about the inspiration behind this. So now I'm going to show you how I did it. Let's go. Alright, so there's really not much to it. Pretty much you get the invisible selfie stick from Insta360. Stretch it out all the way. So the run itself, you just put your arms behind your back like that, and while you're running, in the video that I did, I started with the stick like that, and then as I ran and figured out like where I wanted the center to be, I just swung it around like that, but just kept my wrist like that, so then I can just point it towards my face, keep facing forward, and then edit it later. So now that we have that done, we're going to go through the editing process. So just one more overview. Probably start with the Insta stick like this. Put it behind your back. Get in that position. And then once you start running, right in the middle of it where you want to be, just swing it over. Keep it there, or move it any other direction that you're going to want to, that you know you're going to want to put in post-production. So let's go to the studio. Okay, so the post-production on this is just about as labor-intensive as the pre-production. First thing I'm going to go to our gallery, click the video that we recorded, and make sure that all of the edits are reset. You won't have a problem with this because it'll be new. So now we have a nice clean slate for the video. First thing we're going to do is set our pivot point on the runner. Probably do it around the neck or so. So pivot point, and let the video run a little bit. Right about, I put mine about the edge of the grass. Oop, we got to go back. So I put mine about the edge of the grass. And that is where I want the pivot point to be looking ahead of the runner. So we will put it just a little bit above the head and let the video play. And I wanted, once I got to the middle of the grass, for the pivot point to be on the side of the runner, probably line it up with the forearm, lower end of the elbow, and then just let it run a little bit more, and then I let it stop there. So now we're going to go back and adjust the speed of the video. Go there up to the edit button and speed. I'm going to put it at, not half, 2 times the speed up until this pivot point here. And then I'm going to let it go to normal speed right up until I start to slow down about here, and then I will change it to, I think, 1/4 is what I had. And we just confirm that one. and then we'll head back. So here's a quick run through. It shows you how the pivot points are going to work. And then next we're going to add some music. For this one, for the rock music, I used grip and rip. And that should apply for the entire thing. And then final thing, I think I just added the filter. And I used filter G. Yep. And then I believe that's it. So, you see a quick run through. It tells you that the speed adjustment will take place after. Wait a minute, I might have done that wrong. No, we're good. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Quick run through what it's going to look like. Now, you might adjust it. Now, probably like right here, I would probably want to put it a little more forward, but we're not really going to worry about that just because it's a tutorial. You can put it how you want. Then last thing is just to export it. Go to the album. Make sure you click fix frame, and you can pick whatever aspect ratio that you want. And click the check mark. Let it export. Doesn't take very long with a video like this because I think the runtime at the end is about 6 seconds or so with the speed ups. Okay, and then it'll tell you that it's been exported to the iPhone album, and then you just go back to here, and there's your video. And that's it. And that is how you make your very own Naruto/anime running video with the Insta360 EVO. I hope this was helpful and you had some fun, and give it a try, and go ahead and tag me on Instagram if you go ahead and do it. I'd love to see how it turns out. This has been Raphael, also founder of Dartfrog Virtual Tours, if you can believe that. Have a great day.